everybody, I'm Bassocantor. I'm in Palmdale, California looking for some more insanely great geocaches. What in the world do I do with these wheels? That's right, all you have to do is put together the painting and you'll figure out how to open the container. Can't be that hard, right? Just open up the box. This is one of my all-time favorites. Just put the helmets of the stormtroopers in correct order. Can't be that hard to just stack up the cubes, right? Well, I hope you found this video helpful on the RoombaCat Trail in Palmdale, California. I'm Bassocantor. Thanks for watching, everybody. Is it 100? Palmdale, California, in the land of RoombaCats.